Hello and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. Hope you are having a great day. It is Wednesday. We're recording this April the 23rd, and it has been quiet. I mean, we've had a few severe weather episodes that have, I know Camden, you're sitting there going, well, it's been a big deal for us. But in much of the state, it really has not been a very active year, and nationally, it has not been active, but things are changing, of course, as you can expect. You just don't go through spring without something happening. Now, I do expect severe weather. We have several risks down the road. And the other thing is cold weather's coming back. For the very end of the month, the beginning of May, I want to bring your attention to record low temperatures. The one I'm going to watch is Wednesday morning, next Wednesday morning. The record low is 38 degrees set back in 1908. And I'm going to show you what the GFS, the morning run of the GFS, is projecting at this today, what it's projecting for a week from now. Yeah, it's 7 days away, so you know these numbers are going to change quite a bit and how this is going to play out. Now, the thing that we're going to focus in on this video are a couple of opportunities for severe weather. One is tomorrow. There's a slight risk for severe weather, especially across eastern and southeastern Arkansas on Thursday. And then again later this weekend, Sunday, Monday, that time period. And the details on that are still yet to be ironed out. But we have a fairly good idea right now that there will be a collision in air masses, there will be a front, and there will be plenty of instability. But there are some other things that are questionable at this point in time. So we just want to get the word out right now that there's that possibility at least for some severe weather. Let's start with what's going to happen on Thursday, and we're going to use what we call the 4-kilometer NAM, North American model, and simulated radar. We have a frontal boundary coming through here, and there's some instability in the morning, but it's indicating this is at 9 o'clock in the morning. It looks like some rain trying to come across here at about 9 o'clock in the morning, right in there. Some rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder with that. And then watch what happens during the afternoon with the actual front. This is, let me take it here to 6 o'clock. You can see a line of thunderstorms developing here. This is at 6 o'clock, and that may have some instability for it to work with. So we'll watch that. There it is as it moves across central and then eastern Arkansas. That's by 10 o'clock, so that threat is east of the Mississippi by 10 p.m. on Thursday night. So wind and hail would be the primary threat with that. And the Storm Prediction Center has outlined much of the southeastern half of the state with a slight risk for severe weather. That does include, let me show you the cities on here. That does include Little Rock, Memphis, down towards Shreveport, of course, all of southern Arkansas. And then the next threat arrives. This is a multi-day threat. This is day 4 through 8, day 4, 5, and 6. Day 4, this is the Saturday and early Sunday time period. There's the Sunday threat, and there's the Monday threat. So I'll go through that again. You can see how that threat moves and shifts towards the east in time as the storm system develops. And then following it is going to be some very chilly air. This is the CAPE, what we call convective available potential energy, and this is showing you the instability that's available. And this is for Thursday afternoon. There's the frontal boundary coming through here. It looks like some higher CAPEs across southeastern Arkansas, so some higher levels of instability there. Now let's go into the weekend. Here's Sunday. Here's the thing that concerns me here. The surface low is way up here towards the northwest, but there is instability developing here along a warm front and with the dry line and cold front out here, the dry line out here towards Texas and into Oklahoma. This is at 1 p.m. on Sunday, so I would expect to watch thunderstorms developing across portions of Oklahoma Sunday afternoon where that threat area exists. And again, the details on how this exactly plays out is yet to be ironed out, but there's still some instability across eastern Oklahoma by 7 p.m., and then it continues into the overnight, but it decreases the instability values, and then it ramps up again on Monday. Again, this is brand new data. It ramps up again on Monday, especially across eastern Arkansas and into Mississippi by Monday afternoon. So there's that Sunday-Monday time threat that we're looking at for that possibility of severe weather. Let me see here. We got the latest. Let me see if I can refresh this, and I'll get the precipitation with this. This is showing you 6-hour precipitation. This is Sunday afternoon, showers and thunderstorms Sunday morning and into the afternoon across Oklahoma, western Arkansas. Let's see, that's 102 hours. This is the thunderstorm and rain activity by between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on Sunday. It looks like western Arkansas has the greatest threat for showers and thunderstorms at that point in time. And like I said, the details on this are yet to be ironed out. That continues into the overnight with some locally heavy rainfall possible. that goes until 1 a.m. in the morning there on Monday, and then that area marches on off towards the east for later Monday and into Tuesday. Let me see. This is the other thing I want to show you. Here's Wednesday morning temperatures. Next week, again, this is a week away, but I just wanted to point this out to you. Oh, there I go again. Moving. There we go. It's got 32 to 35 degrees across northwest and north central Arkansas. It's got a temperature here at 7 a.m. in the morning around 39 to 40 degrees, and the record is 38. So near record low temperatures would be possible if this happens. The other thing we'll deal with all this rain coming through, especially the Sunday, Monday time period, it's the possibility for some locally heavy rainfall. And the Weather Prediction Center is indicating up to 4 inches will be possible at that time. So some very heavy rainfall. Again, how that whole thing comes together is still questionable for the Sunday, Monday time period. But there's definitely a strong and vigorous area of low pressure aloft, which will be digging into the central plains. There will be some moist and humid air coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll have to watch that for the possibility for some severe weather at least. And also, again, we have that threat on Thursday. So Thursday afternoon, early evening, Sunday, Monday, and then the threat, here we go into near record low temperatures. That's a lot to cover, and I did that in 6 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know you hope you got a lot of good information out of it. And I want to thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. I'll keep you updated with everything you need to know on Facebook and Twitter. We are the Arkansas Weather Blog, your ticket to big weather events.